Morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Find X9 Pro, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So, first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select System and Update, and mark Backup and Reset. And here you've got Reset Phone, so just enroll the options, and in the middle you've got Reset All Settings. As you can see, it will include network settings. Draw your unlock pattern to enter more, and if you truly want to do it, you have to confirm it. You just need to be aware that this operation cannot be undone. Just tap on reset if you truly want to do it. And from now on, you will be able to customize your device from scratch. All the setup made by you would be removed, and then you'll be able to customize it again. Like, the dim, screen timeout, and so on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.